Okay, y'all, what's up? It's your girl Portia. Move the frick out the way. You know what? Why? Just why? And they say why? Why? Tell me it's okay. Anyways, it's your girl Portia, aka I be that pretty mother. Welcome back to my channel. If you want to join Pretty Math Gang, leave your cool. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button. If you're not already subscribed. For those of you who are already subscribed, welcome back, baby. It's good to have you back. I'm glad you chose to like come visit me again. Where you been? What you been up to? Tell me. I want details. Okay? How has your month of September been so far? Okay? So let me tell you something. Mine has been it's had some good, it's had some bad. Workaholic thing going on and everything, just life, bills, personal problems, everything just hitting me. But it's okay, because we're human. We're allowed to go through things. It's totally fine. As long as we dealing with it in healthy ways, somehow, then it's all right. Don't sweat it, okay? You're doing just fine. You are okay. I'm okay. We're okay. But anyways, yeah. So if you're already subscribed, welcome back. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button. It's in big, nice, juicy red capital letters. My favorite color is red. If your favorite color is red, then I mean it's looking extra juicy to you. So it's like, hit it, right? Okay, but anyways, for post notification bell button, tap on it so you can be notified every time I post. I know I haven't posted since the beginning of this month. Please, cut me some slack. Okay, I'm trying to I've been trying to think about what I really want to put out on my channel versus what I can just make in a TikTok or something. You know what I'm saying? And I feel like it's so hard because this video right here that I'm doing right now, I could make this as a TikTok if I wanted to, but I don't know. I want to be different on my channel. I want to switch it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? I want to stray away from the norm, the usual, the most trendy stuff. I want to just break away from all that and just do me. Put my touch on my channel and do things that is trending, but not a lot of people are doing it or have it on their YouTube channel, stuff like that. You know what I mean? But yeah. So it just be hard sometimes, trying to figure out what I want to post and where I want to post it. Anyways, getting to it. As y'all can tell by the title and the thumbnail of this video, this is my attempt at trying to drink sparkling water. Ooh, I can't wait till I can get an ASMR channel because, yeah, I want to just look all cute and everything, just doing a little ASMR, But anyways, oh, if you want to know where I got this wig from, just in case you want to know, got it from my local beauty and fashion. I think it was the brand Gold. Where was it? Gold Pop or something like that. It was a little cheap, little $30 wig, girl. You know what I'm saying? But it's still cute. Ain't got no clips inside of it or nothing, so it'll be a little struggle trying to get it to stay down. But yeah. And I like it. I love the ombre colors, of the blonde, the blonde and brown. Yeah. With some gold jewelry, as you can see that I got on right now. Yeah. Be looking cute. By the way, today is Saturday, August, girl, what? Stop. You already turned 25, alright? It's done. August is over. We just not trying to delay fall any longer. We want fall to hurry up and chill out, because it's still hot. Well, it's just been buku. And been raining, a bit hot, cool sometimes throughout the day, storming. I'm tired of it. Fall, come on, we need you. Anyways, yeah, it is September the 16th, and it's currently 5:07 p.m. I may or may, hopefully, I am going to go see The Equalizer 3 with one of my friends. We've been on each other for like solid, like almost 2 months now. Yeah. Yeah. Which is crazy, because I feel like we just met, like, a week ago. But yeah, I want to also see The Nun too, but I want to see The Nun, the first one, and like, jog my memory on like how that went, and also the first two Equalizers, because like I remember bits and pieces, but like I'm the type of person, like before I see the next movie and the sequel, like I gotta, it's been a minute since I've seen the original ones, the first 1 and 2, whatever, I gotta watch them and like jog my memory back, because otherwise I'm gonna feel like, okay, how did the movie kick off like this? Who was you? Who was you and who was you? Kind of remember you, but like, I just want to make sure I'm knowing everything. Because like I hate to be the person to be like asking questions, because I do be doing that. Like I'm gonna ask questions if I forgot some shit. But anyways, yeah, I'll just have to. I mean, if we end up going to see it tonight, then I'm gonna just have to like catch up on it some other time, figure out where I can watch it for free, because I refuse to pay for a subscription just to watch a certain movie. I can like, watch it on a free movie website, then I mean that's what I'm gonna do, because my ADHD be having me talking about this, that, and the third. Anyways, getting back to the main thing. This is going to be my attempt at drinking sparkling water without burping. Okay, trying to act like you wasn't drinking sparkling water before you came in. Yes, gotcha. I'm gonna sit. I like the quick. Okay, anyways. But I got the sparkling ice. It said it got caffeine in it. I've had the blue raspberry flavor of this already. It's 0 sugar, and this is in the flavor strawberry citrus. Okay, you see the ombre going on on the can. It's like orange, and then it goes into red. Period. Killing the ombre game. Love me some good ombre. But before I start this, other little details in case y'all don't know. Got these gold earrings from Walmart. It was cheap. I think it was like $3.88, I want to say. And then this layered necklace, gold necklace. Pretty sure I got it from Shein. Can't remember when. And it also came with a like a chain, like a link, like a chain. What do you call it? Like a link chain piece, but I broke the hook on that one, so couldn't add it to the set, sadly. But it is what it is. Just the 2 pieces is cute. And I got this shirt from Ross. Got how much the shirt was. Under $10 for sure. Pretty sure. If not $10. And it's Selena. Bitty bitty bum bum. With some mostly black with Selena, the word Selena, her name, in pink letters, and got my baby Selena on it. Bitty bitty bum bum. And I just got like slight little makeup on that I had on from earlier. I gotta touch it up. Might do a full face and do some content with it and whatnot, and just go to the movies with it on, because I probably ain't gonna feel like taking it off. I know it's a little too much just to go to the movies, but so I'm making content with it. I'm probably gonna post pics with it. So what's your point? Like, I can't look good just going to the movies. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't touch myself up a little bit just to go to the movies. What are you trying to say? Because I'm not digging your energy right now. You can't sit with the Pretty MF gang if your energy is like, oh, she doing too much or not. Cause get them gang.
hurricane, bitch. Here comes the hurricane, bitch. Katrina, 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 Katrina.
Cause who doing too much? Cause you just mad you're not doing enough. Okay. Let me stop. Anywho, okay, let's get into it. I'm gonna insert like a clip of one of the viral videos. This is the video I've seen of a guy trying to do the I also seen like a video of like two girls. No, it was the one girl. No, I think both of them. I think they was either sisters, friends, whatever. They both was trying to do the challenge, and one of them, look, I can't remember. Either one of them or both of them was trying to do the challenge. But one of the girls, she slipped up, and then she started burping, and she sounded like a demon and stuff like that. I'm gonna insert both clips. And then also it was one with the guy.
I can't do it. My tummy hurt.
He was like saying something. He was like,
But can you try sparkling water and not burp?
like I don't know what to do. And then he just started burping, and then like he turned around and smacked his forehead like against the I think it was like
oh my gosh.
just something. I don't know.
What do I do?
I can't really remember. I'm gonna find both videos and put them in the video, just to give y'all like a visual of like how the challenge goes or whatever. And then we're gonna compare it to like how I'm about to do with the challenge. So if y'all ready to see me try this without burping, I'm gonna try to drink it fast, because I think that's what the challenge is. I think you try to drink it fast and see like how long you can hold out without burping. So it's still nice and cold. I had it in the refrigerator overnight. So yeah, here goes nothing. Make sure y'all subscribe, post notification bell button turned on, give this video a thumbs up when y'all feel like y'all like it. Leave a comment hashtag hashtag no burping. Comment whatever you want to comment. For real. Comment, do y'all think I can do this? Like, how y'all feeling? Do y'all think I can do this? I can finish the whole can without burping. Like, what's y'all thoughts? Or y'all feeling like, nah, like you girl, like come on, be for real. It's carbonation. You gonna burp at some point. We gonna see. Let's do this. But if y'all want to try the challenge too, if y'all haven't already tried it and y'all are influenced to try it, like to do it after seeing this video, after seeing me do it, then post the video on wherever, Instagram, whatever. Or if you got a YouTube channel and you decide to do it, post it on YouTube, and I influenced you, mention me, okay? But let's get it. Okay, I'm gonna crack it open now. Okay. I feel like busting loose. I'm scared. I'm a little nervous. Because what if I end up burping and then like I just spit the shit like all over the counter? My granny she gonna chop my head off. Alright. Cheers, bitches. Alright. I'm nervous. No burping. I feel it a little bit. Hold on. It's coming. Nope. We can do this. I feel like it's gonna be one big one. No. back in. All right, that was a like light little burp. That wasn't nothing like too big or too crazy like the other ones. I can keep going. Oh, it's not that bad. I got a little bit left. I haven't burped too crazy yet or anything. I don't know what kind of sparkling water they was drinking. Maybe I'm drinking the wrong shit. Oh, that was a hard swallow. So I have been burping a little bit. But nothing too crazy. Nothing too loud. Almost done, a little bit left. It's like right here. And just like that, the girl is done. Don't really feel like I have to burp anymore. I mean, in the videos, they was like, they had burps coming from like way deep down, like deep down in their gut, and it just exploded. So maybe I gotta revisit this, see what the hell kind of sparkling water they was drinking, because what, like, this ain't really do shit. I gotta find something with more carbonation, I guess. But I thought I would have, I don't know, I thought I would have been burping a little bit more, like a little bit harder than that, because I mean, usually I do like burp quite a bit with sparkling water or soda. I don't know. Even though it wasn't all that crazy, I think I still lost.
In Singapore, 30 million, Forbes list out in Philly in a condo. Boy shit, now they call me Young Oprah. Harpo in the pool, rockin' polo. Marco.
I didn't drink it completely without burping at all. I did burp some. So yeah. But the burp wasn't that powerful, you know. It was, yeah. But that is that. Okay, that's all for this video. I appreciate y'all, the ones who was, you know, rooting for me to, you know, that felt like I could do it without burping at all. I'm sorry I let y'all down. I disappointed y'all, but it's okay, because I mean, I like a good challenge. So I will be doing more content like this, and if y'all like this kind of content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if y'all have any suggestions for a challenge for me to do and post on here, or just any suggestions for any kind of content you want to see from me at all. Whether that's the everyday makeup routine, everyday makeup tutorial, nude makeup tutorial, a certain kind of hairstyle, a food review, product review. Don't suggest nothing too expensive now. But yeah, let me know what kind of stuff y'all would like to see from me. A vlog, I just don't really want to do vlogs quite yet because I feel like I'm not there with, I don't have that big of an audience yet. But yeah, if you already subscribed to my channel, or you're a new subscriber, or you're watching this video and like you do want to see like a vlog of some sort, like a day in my life, or morning routine, like like a morning routine vlog, night routine vlog, getting ready for work, how my day at work went, chilling like with a friend or like somebody I know, workout vlog, because I do be working out sometimes. Well, it's not really a vlog, but like, you know, like a workout routine kind of thing. Let me know. But yeah, I guess I'll see y'all in the next video, because y'all already know your girl random as hell, so you'll never know what you about to get from me. Okay, whatever I'm feeling, that's what you want to see. But like I said, I'm open to suggestions. I want to see them. I want to hear from y'all. And yeah, I want y'all to like feel like y'all interacting, like I'm interacting with y'all, and I'm listening, like I'm paying attention to y'all's requests. Okay, from me. So for this video, I'm gonna go ahead and get around to doing this makeup. It's 5:40. If y'all like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join Pretty Math Gang, name your crew. Make sure you hit that post notification bell button so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. And I will see y'all in the next one. Bye. Bye, Pretty MFs.